Welcome back. We have just scheduled a major paper that is due Friday. For large tasks like these, it is sometimes easier to break them down into smaller, more manageable subtasks that can be prioritized throughout the week. For example, for a large paper that's due Friday, smaller subtasks would be writing 4 pages by Tuesday or writing a bibliography by Thursday. To create a subtask, simply add an additional task in the same way we did before. So we're going to go to Add Task. We're going to write 4 pages. We're going to schedule them for Tuesday. So right now that's March 7th at midnight, just to keep us on a schedule. And we'll click Add Task. And it immediately gives us the option to schedule another task. But if you want to schedule more than one task at once, like I was saying before, just go back to the drop-down menu beside your scheduled task. And you can click Add Task above or Add Task below, and you can add as many tasks as you would like. But we'll just stick with 2 for now. So right now we'll schedule Write Bibliography. We'll make that for next Thursday, so that's March 9th at 12 a.m. So right now, all of these look like separate tasks, which may or may not be connected to each other. But if you go all the way to the left, beside the circle that's beside each of your tasks, you click and drag them to the right, like this, then they become part of a drop-down menu that is connected to the parent task, which is Write Major Paper, and you can check them off as you go throughout the week. And so that is how you schedule subtasks. Another way to prioritize your task is to set priority levels, which will help you distinguish which task you should complete first. If you go back to the drop-down menu and you go to the priority section, which is right here, you will see that Todoist has 4 priority levels distinguished by little flags that are colored to match their urgency. So, priority 1 is the task that should be completed first, and it is bright red. Priority 2 is a task that should be completed second, so that's an orange color. Priority 3 is a lighter orange, that's third in line, and then priority 4, or the least urgent, is white. So to set priority levels, you simply go to your task and you click the drop-down menu, and for the 2 subtasks, I would say that the most urgent is write 4 pages right now, because it is part of the real substance of the paper. So we would set that as priority 1, and as you can see, the circle colors in is bright red, so it's distinguished as priority 1. And then for bibliography, it's probably the second important because it comes in second out of the 2 tasks. So put that as priority 2, and that is colored in the orange color. And so now you not only are able to work in smaller chunks as opposed to just tackling one major task, but you are able to distinguish which task is most important and finish your paper on time. So that is how you add subtasks and set priority levels.